Nigeria has taken a surprising and controversial step by reverting to its old post-colonial national anthem from nearly 50 years ago. The decision, confirmed by President Bola Tinubu amid a ravaging economic crisis, has sparked widespread criticism because it was taken without any public consultation. Before we dive into our topic today, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channels and ringing the bell to be notified about all our exciting future videos. In a stunningly swift legislative process, both chambers of Nigeria's National Assembly, dominated by the governing party, introduced and passed the bill to change the anthem in under a week. This rapid approval is highly unusual for significant legislation, which typically takes weeks or even months to be considered. For the first time in decades, the reintroduced anthem, Nigeria, We Hail Thee, was publicly played at a legislative session attended by President Tinubu. This anthem, written by British expatriate Lillian Jean Williams, was Nigeria's first anthem introduced in 1960 when the country gained independence from Britain. It was replaced in 1978 by Arise, O Compatriots, during the military government of Olusegun Obasanjo, a period marked by recovery from a brutal civil war. The latter anthem inspired national service and unity with its calls to serve the fatherland with love and strength. The abrupt anthem switch has left many Nigerians baffled and frustrated, with many calling it a waste of time and a huge distraction from the country's escalating economic crisis. Indeed, Nigeria is currently experiencing its worst economic crisis in a generation, with inflation rates set to hit a 28-year high of 33.2% during President Tinubu's first year in office. Everyday life has become increasingly difficult for Nigerians because basic necessities are becoming unaffordable and the middle class is shrinking. In such a climate, the decision to revert to an old anthem seems tone-deaf and out of touch with the public's needs. Moreover, the lack of public consultation on such a symbolic and significant change has been a major point of contention. Many Nigerians feel excluded from the decision-making process, leading to a sense of disconnection and frustration with the political class. The rapid passage of the bill, with little debate or discussion, has only fueled these sentiments. The old anthem has also reopened discussions about the country's colonial past. The anthem, with its references to native land and tribes, is seen by some as a reminder of a bygone era that does not resonate with the modern, diverse Nigeria. Critics argue that it is inappropriate for a 21st century nation striving for unity and progress. But despite the backlash, President Tinubu has defended the decision, stating that the old anthem represents a return to the country's roots and a reminder of its journey to independence. However, this rationale has done little to quell the criticism. Many Nigerians are adamant that the focus should be on addressing the pressing issues of inflation, security, and economic stability, rather than on symbolic changes that do little to improve the lives of ordinary Nigerians. As the debate continues, it remains to be seen how this decision will impact President Tinubu's administration and the country's future. Your perspective matters. What do you think of Nigeria's abrupt national anthem change? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. For continued updates on global affairs and diplomatic developments, be sure to subscribe to the New Africa channel. Stay informed, stay engaged. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future.